Can you find the cube root of 110592 without a calculator? Most people stuck, but I'll show you a shortcut that works every time. So let's go. First, we'll break 110592 using prime factorization. So keep dividing by 2 till you can't anymore. So let's start with the first. When we divide it by 2, we get 5, 5, 2, 9, 6. Again, we can divide it by 2. We get 27648. Now 27648 is an even number. So when divided by 2, we get 13824. 13824 divided by 2 gives 6912. 6912 divided by 2 gives 3456. 3456 divided by 2 gives 1728. 1728 divided by 2 gives 864. 864. Now 864 divided by 2 gives 432. 432 divided by 2 gives 216. 216 divided by 2 gives 108. 108 divided by 2 gives 54. Now 54 divided by 2 gives 27. Now we can't divide it by 2. Now go with 3. 27 divided by 3 gives 9. 9 divided by 3 gives 3. And 3 divided by 3 gives 1. So prime factorization of 110592 is 2 power 12 times 3 power 3. Now we have to find the cube root. So I am taking cube on both sides. So cube root of 110592 is cube root of 2 power 12 times 3 power 3. So cube root of 110592, we can write it as 2 power 12 by 3 times 3 power 3 by 3 by removing this cube root. So cube root of 110592 is 2 power 4 times 3. Now 2 power 4 is 16 and 16 times 3 is 48. So cube root of 110592 is 48. I hope each and every step is clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.